Hi, this is Mr. Unruh, and welcome to math class for the fall of 2020. This is going to be a short video just as an introduction to the class of who I am, and then what I'm going to ask you to what I want the students to do as far as introducing themselves to the class. So here's a picture of me. This is my formal picture. I've been teaching. My name is Mr. Unruh. I have been teaching algebra for 10 years. What is one thing I like about teaching algebra? Well, math is logical and it can provide answers to real life problems. And I like to take a very practical approach with algebra and try and make it real to the students. Math is used to get answers, to make decisions, and to solve problems. One thing that I don't like about teaching algebra is when students try to take the easy way out of a math class, okay? And I have been teaching long enough to understand that algebra and math is not always easy. However, if you spend the time and put in the work, which can be hard work, it will pay off and be beneficial for you. So, one thing I like about teaching algebra, one thing I don't like about teaching algebra. Here's a little bit about me outside of the classroom and other than algebra. I am originally from the Philadelphia area. 10 years ago, my wife and I moved from Phoenixville, Pennsylvania to Phoenix, Arizona. Phoenixville is a western suburb of Philadelphia, just on the western side of Valley Forge Park. But literally moved from Phoenixville to Phoenix. My hobbies, I like the outdoors, I like camping. This is a picture that was taken in June of this year, around June 20th, on the Beartooth Mountains, which is just north of Yellowstone National Park. This is up at about 11,000 feet. Went to Cody, Wyoming to visit with some friends from college, and we took a drive up through Yellowstone one day and through what is called the Beartooth Mountains, scenic drive up into Montana. Still a lot of snow up there, and it was a lot of fun. My favorite food is sushi. Steak is a very close second. And so, students, what I will ask you to do is, on the appropriate Canvas page, and your first assignment for the class will be to answer 5 questions. Here they are. Why are you taking the class? What do you do for fun or hobbies? A little bit about yourself. What's your favorite food? What is something you have liked about a math class in the past? And what is something you did not like about a math class in the past? So I am going to ask you to post the answers to your questions on Canvas, and it will be there for other students to take a look at as well as myself. And so this is just an opportunity. This is something, if we were in person, we would do the very first day of class just to get to know one another, because we are going to be spending a lot of time together. But online, we want to be able to get to know one another as well, because I am going to be asking you to do some group work online. And so the more you know a little bit more about one another, the easier it is to work together, and you may be able to benefit from one another as well. So on the appropriate Canvas page, you will answer these questions. This is a little bit about me. Also want to find out a little bit about you, and we will look forward to meeting again in future videos. Thank you.